Just keep going, just keep going, just keep going, just keep going. You can't turn back, you come too far, you can't give up, you work too hard. Just keep going, just keep going, just keep going, just keep going. You can't turn back, you come too far, you can't give up, you work too hard.
Welcome back to Dissertation in 90 Days, the podcast dedicated to helping you conquer the challenges of doctoral research and beyond. I'm Dr. J, your host and spokesperson for Grad Mentor Network. Today, we're tackling a critical step in your doctoral journey, crafting a winning dissertation proposal. A well-crafted proposal is your blueprint for success, laying the groundwork for your research and securing the approval of your dissertation committee. In this episode, we'll explore the key elements of a dissertation proposal, discuss strategies for writing a compelling document, and provide tips to help you navigate the approval process smoothly. Whether you're just starting to draft your proposal or looking to refine it, this episode is packed with valuable insights. So grab your favorite beverage, find a comfortable spot, and let's dive into the world of dissertation proposals together. Let's start by understanding the purpose of a dissertation proposal. Your proposal is a detailed plan of your intended research, outlining your research questions, methodology, literature review, and anticipated contributions to the field. It serves as a roadmap for your dissertation and demonstrates to your committee that you have a clear, feasible, and significant research plan. The first key element of your proposal is the introduction. This section should provide an overview of your research topic, highlight its significance, and clearly state your research questions or hypotheses. Begin with a compelling opening that captures the reader's interest and sets the stage for your study. Explain why your research topic is important and relevant, and outline the specific questions or problems you aim to address. Next, we have the literature review. This section situates your research within the existing body of knowledge, demonstrating your understanding of the field and identifying gaps that your study will address. Conduct a thorough review of relevant literature, highlighting key studies and findings. Discuss how your research will build on previous work and contribute new insights. Organize the literature review thematically or chronologically, ensuring a logical flow of ideas. The methodology section is another crucial component of your proposal. This section outlines your research design, data collection methods, and data analysis techniques. Be detailed and specific, explaining how you will conduct your research and why you have chosen these particular methods. Discuss any potential challenges and how you plan to address them. Your methodology should provide a clear plan for how you will answer your research questions and ensure the reliability and validity of your findings. Let's now talk about the significance of your research. This section should explain the potential impact of your study and its contributions to the field. Discuss the practical, theoretical, and academic implications of your research. How will your findings advance knowledge, inform practice, or influence policy? Highlight the originality and importance of your study, making a compelling case for why it deserves to be conducted. The proposal should also include a timeline for your research. This section outlines the major milestones and deadlines for your study, providing a realistic plan for completing your dissertation. Break down your research into phases, such as literature review, data collection, data analysis, and writing. Be realistic about the time required for each phase and include any important deadlines, such as proposal submission and defense dates. Another important element is the references section. This should list all the sources you have cited in your proposal, following the citation style required by your discipline. Ensure that your references are accurate and complete, and that you have properly attributed all ideas and quotations to their original sources. Let's now discuss some strategies for writing a compelling dissertation proposal. Start by clearly defining your research question or hypothesis. A well-defined research question provides a clear focus for your study and guides your methodology. Ensure that your question is specific, feasible, and significant. Avoid overly broad or vague questions that are difficult to address within the scope of a dissertation. Next, be clear and concise in your writing. Your proposal should be well organized and easy to follow with a logical progression of ideas. Use clear, straightforward language and avoid jargon or overly complex sentences. Aim for clarity and precision in your descriptions and explanations. Seek feedback on your proposal from advisors, mentors, and peers. They can provide valuable insights and help you identify any weaknesses or areas for improvement. Be open to constructive criticism and use it to refine and strengthen your proposal. Consider forming a writing group with fellow students to share feedback and support each other in the proposal writing process. Another effective strategy is to review successful dissertation proposals from past students in your program. This can give you a sense of the level of detail and rigor required, as well as the structure and organization of a strong proposal. While you should never copy someone else's work, learning from successful examples can be incredibly informative. Let's now explore the importance of revising and editing your proposal. Writing a strong proposal is an iterative process that involves multiple drafts and revisions. After completing your first draft, take a break and then review it with fresh eyes. Look for areas where you can improve clarity, coherence, and flow. Pay attention to grammar, punctuation, and formatting, and ensure that your proposal meets all the requirements of your program. Consider using tools like Grammarly or Hemingway to help with grammar and readability. These tools can provide valuable feedback on your writing and help you improve the quality of your proposal. However, don't rely solely on automated tools. A thorough review by a human reader is essential for catching nuanced issues and ensuring overall coherence. Now let's talk about the approval process. Once you have a polished draft of your proposal, it's time to submit it to your dissertation committee for review. This process can vary depending on your institution and program, so be sure to follow the specific guidelines and procedures required by your department. Prepare for the possibility that your committee may request revisions or additional information before granting approval. Approach this feedback constructively, understanding that it's meant to strengthen your research plan. Address each comment and suggestion thoroughly, providing clear explanations for any changes made. Be patient and responsive during this process, and use it as an opportunity to refine and improve your proposal. Let's also discuss the importance of maintaining a positive attitude and staying motivated throughout the proposal writing process. Writing a dissertation proposal can be challenging and time-consuming, but it's also a critical step towards achieving your academic and professional goals. Stay focused on your objectives and remind yourself of the significance and impact of your research. Take breaks when needed and practice self-care to avoid burnout. Engaging in activities that help you relax and recharge can enhance your productivity and creativity. Surround yourself with a supportive network of advisors, mentors, and peers who can provide encouragement and guidance. Now, let's explore some common challenges that students face when writing a dissertation proposal and how to address them. One common issue is narrowing down the research question. It's important to strike a balance between a question that is too broad and one that is too narrow. If you're struggling with this, seek feedback from your advisor and review the literature to identify gaps and areas of interest. Another challenge is conducting a thorough literature review. The vast amount of Available literature can be overwhelming, making it difficult to identify the most relevant and significant studies. To address this, start with key review articles and seminal works in your field. Use their references to guide your search for additional sources. Organize your review thematically to highlight key findings and gaps. Time management is another common challenge. Balancing the demands of proposal writing with other academic and personal responsibilities can be difficult. Create a realistic timeline for your proposal and stick to it. Break down the writing process into smaller tasks and set specific goals for each phase. Regularly review and adjust your timeline as needed to stay on track. Let's now discuss the long-term benefits of crafting a strong dissertation proposal. A well-written proposal not only helps you secure approval from your committee, but also provides a clear roadmap for your dissertation. It guides your research process, helping you stay focused and organized. Additionally, a strong proposal can enhance your confidence and motivation, providing a solid foundation for your study. A compelling proposal also demonstrates your ability to conduct rigorous and significant research, which can enhance your academic and professional reputation. It showcases your critical thinking, writing, and organizational skills, which are valuable assets in both academia and industry. Finally, let's talk about the importance of continuous learning and improvement in the proposal writing process. Writing a dissertation proposal is an opportunity to develop and refine your research skills. Stay curious and open to new ideas and perspectives. Engage with the literature, attend workshops and seminars, and seek feedback from experienced researchers. Use each experience as an opportunity to learn and grow as a scholar. In summary, crafting a winning dissertation proposal is a critical step in your doctoral journey. By clearly defining your research question, conducting a thorough literature review, and outlining a detailed methodology, you can create a compelling proposal that secures the approval of your committee. Stay focused, seek feedback, and remain open to continuous learning and improvement. Thank you for joining us on this episode of Dissertation in 90 Days. I hope you found these insights and strategies helpful in crafting your dissertation proposal. Don't forget to subscribe to our podcast for more tips and strategies to help you succeed in your doctoral journey. If you found this episode valuable, please leave us a review and share it with your peers. Join our Grad Mentor Network community for additional resources and support. Before we wrap up, remember that a strong proposal is the foundation of a successful dissertation. Stay dedicated, stay motivated, and continue to push the boundaries of knowledge. Until next time, keep striving for excellence and embracing the journey. I'm Dr. J, signing off. Goodbye.